Hello friends, welcome to our next video of API development. In this tutorial, we will going to create a registration API for users so that user can easily register and will able to access our application. So let's begin with it. In this video, we have created a login API. So we will create a new file for registration, or we can simply create a function or create a function in it, but I prefer new file distinguish between login and registration. So I'm creating a file that is register. Yeah, simply copying it and changing it name. I created this. And to sign up, I'm creating a function create. Next, accept the parameters in email address and password. So uh, we are we will encrypt the password into MD5 instruction. I'm going to use MD5 function and parse it. So it is our data, but before adding into the table or the table, we have to check whether email address is already existing or not. For that, we will create an array. We will in login model we have created a function get. So we will going to use it. Simply as this. If it returns positive name, all greater than if it returns numerically, for example, greater than 0, then it is also to exist. Otherwise, you can create. Otherwise, it exists. So, how to solve that exist? We will use JSON array, and here we will pass stated as a false. The message will be entered address is already exists. What is we will instead of enforce user will be hidden. So to create new user, they can call and entry function on login model, or this array to add entry function. In here, we have created our registration API for user. We will create a route for it simply. Yes. And I will call function. Route for the registration calculation. Let's test this API in Postman. I will copy this URL first. Then we will create a add request. We will raise a new request. It will be registration. We'll copy our method will be code. In API we have used three parameters, three variables name, email address and password. So we are using parameters. Same. It is showing a message with all the status entered in that message because we have already created a user with same email address. So I have to change email address. Then before our testing, yes, we have to pass to more parameters. One is IP address from which the user is getting registered. We have already set up the IP address at that time. It is created an yeah, set up this list again. So it is returning result to okay. Who is the get ID and status as your account has been created successfully. Instead of passing is setting coming from there. It's already exists. Yes, you can see name, email address, password has been encrypted. Okay, so let's again we will go to paste an API. Yeah, just login API. So it is showing invalid credentials. Why it is showing invalid credentials? Because the 123 password has been encrypted in MD5 format and then it has stored in database. So now we have to change it. So login API print and then paste it in postman. It is coming the result. Okay. So here we have successfully created a registration API and that that's it for this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you.